I want to sleep more.
I see an empty bowl. Bob, please feed Lucky.
I am sleepy. I will do it later.
Tomorrow, Mom and Dad come home late. Please feed Lucky and walk him.
Sure. Cool. Got it. I turn it off. I sleep more. Oh no. I am late for school. I must go now. Must go now. Must go now. I am home. I want to play game now. Yeah, I can play games now. One more game. Just one more. Yes, I win! Lucky, stop. Do not bother me.
Yes! Oh my God! Whoa! That was awesome! Let's go! Ha ha ha! Next round! Go away!
Yes! Oh, yeah! Woohoo! Oh, look, a puppy. Hi there, little fella. Come here, we'll be nice. Go! Go! Run after him! I play my game. Where is Lucky? Lucky? Where are you? Lucky, where are you? Lucky? Please, Lucky. Lucky, I can't find you. Where are you? Lucky? Lucky? Oh. Lucky, where are you? Lucky, where are you? I feel scared. Oh no, I forgot to feed him. Did someone take him? Lucky! Have you seen my small dog? I don't know. Thank you. Where are you? Please come back. I need you. Where are you? Please. I can't find you. Where else would you be? Please wait. Lucky, where are you? Lucky! Wait! Oh, it is not him. No, Lucky, is that you? Lucky, is that you? Lucky, is that you? It is not Lucky. Lucky? Wait! Stop! I am so tired. Lucky, where are you? No, I must find him. I will call the police. Lucky? Lucky? Lucky! I am sorry. I am so sorry. I will take care of you. I forgot. You are very important to me. You must be very hungry. Let's go home. We made it home, buddy. Woof. I am sorry. Please, please eat a lot.
Where did you go?
I am sorry. I lost Lucky.
You did not just forget. You left him alone.
A promise needs action. Without action, it means nothing.
I am sorry. I was wrong.
This time, you must reflect on yourself seriously. You must take responsibility for your promise.
I am very sorry. I will not play games anymore. I will take care of Lucky carefully. A good child should listen to their parents and be responsible for their promises. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to watch more videos.